Hey guys, welcome back to Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to drop test the Sanyo, I think it's the SCP-3100. It works and everything. There's no passcode or anything, but it's really bad shape, so we're going to drop test it. Slow motion camera for the rear drop. In 3, 2, 1. We'll grab the back of the battery. Here's the phone. I'll slide the back cover back on. Yeah, SCP-3100. So it looks like from the rear drop, it hit toward the top of the antenna. Right here on the back corner, scuffing right there. The new scuffing right there. Alrighty. But now we're going to do the side drop. In 3, 2, 1. Grab the back and the battery. Let's see if we can put this in one-handed. It's kind of tricky, but we're getting there. Alrighty, it looks like it, let's see if it makes turns on still. Looks like it hit right there. Looks like it's still working. LCD is still working. The front LCD is still working. Let's go ahead and do a face down. In 3, 2, 1. And you see it took a lot of nicks on the top. Still working though. Then we're going to do a drop test of it open. Oh, it's sliding. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go ahead and grab the battery and stuff. Actually, it looks like it might have broke the front or something in the screen. Might just be scratches, actually. Nope, just scratches. So it still works. For now, we're just going to go ahead and throw it. In 3, 2, 1. Can't get the cover to slide onto it. There we go. You can see it looks like it took the hit right there on the top. So I don't know what that was. It still works. Still works. Oh, maybe not. Oh, yeah, it is. Oh, yeah, that's like the springy thing, actually. That makes it click. There we go. It's still working. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.